There he is, folks, the hardcore champion, Mexicana. There he is, the Intercontinental Champion, NRM. Reminder, folks, this is a non-title match. Big crossbody by NRM. NRM will be facing Static at Hard to Kill. This should be a good match. So, Renee, what do you think of this? Party? Oh my God, what an elbow. Mexicana, big crossbody. 2. Oh, he only got 2 counts. Goes to the clothesline, misses. Big kick. What's this? Oh, what a DDT. What a DDT. Over his back. Only NRM can pull something like that. Goes to the pin. Oh, it was a sloppy pin anyways. Takes a lot more to keep the big man Mexicana down. The hits in the corner. Oh, he's down. Oh, NRM taking it to him in the corner. Mexicana is fucking hurting. Goes to the ropes. Misses the clothesline. Oh, Mexicana didn't miss this time. He nailed him. Goes to the power bomb. Yes, 1. 2 of them. And 3 with a sit down at the end. Oh, it looked like it was over, but no. Goes to the ropes, off the ropes. Goes to, oh, he missed the clothesline. No, NRM with a flying clothesline. Forearm shot, maybe something that Tito Santana would do. Oh, big drop kick in the corner. What's he doing? Oh, it looks like it off the top rope stunner. And oh my God! Back to Silver's back. Oh my God! What a nice suplex. Does another one. Yeah, so a Falcon Arrow. 2. Only a 2 count. Oh, got him in the Boston Crab. No Boston Crab. NRM's hurting. And dragged in the middle, no ropes, and he's not going to NRM reach ropes. Then they can work for that. Oh, NRM's got the ropes. He's got the ropes. Oh. Oh, what's in the corner? Could be the Tree of Woe. Oh, just drives the sign right in his head. NRM's definitely hurting from that one. Whips him into the corner. Oh, down. The Tequila Worm! The Tequila Worm! Oh, the big headbutt. Oh my God. There's a pin. 2 count. 2 count only. And to be a DDT on the sign. Oh, wait. Oh, right to the midsection. That's gotta hurt. Oh, bounce off the ropes. Oh, catches a neck breaker. What a nice move. Oh no, it goes to the pin. Sloppy pin. Can't keep that down with that. What's this? Oh, it's his back. What's he doing? Oh my God, what a move. Goes to the pin. 2 count only. And NRM. Oh, what a, over his leg. Sneaks that in there. Mexicana throws him to the rope. Bounces off. Oh my God, no, what is it? Oh my God, what a move, what a move. NRM not really moving that great. Oh, big leg drop, big leg drop. Oh, that's got to be the end, that's got to be... Mike, off the ropes, big clothesline. Oh, levels him with that clothesline. Mexicana, of course, used to be the one half of the Crazy Mother Trucks from Hell. There's a pin for NRM. The Crazy Mother is being crazy. Oh, my, what a enziguri. Lexi doesn't know where he is. Oh, big DDT off the top. Mexicana sees him. But no, it didn't catch him. Mexicana grabs him. Oh my God, that's it. It's all over. Desperate. So what's this? Let's kind of go to the pin. It's Graveyard Gallant. What's he here for? Why is Graveyard here? We all know that Graveyard is one of the most hardcore wrestlers that ever graced the BCW ring. He shakes his hand. What a nice guy. What a nice guy. Oh my God, he nailed him. He nailed him. He just nailed with that sign. What's he doing? Graveyard Gallant picking a fight with Mexicana. Uh-oh. The Gallant driver. Oh my God. Nails him with it. Graveyard Gallant leaves. Oh, Graveyard going nuts. Whoa, what the heck? NRM's taking advantage of this. Taking advantage. Could this be the Angel Salt? Oh my God, it is. It's all over. 2, 3, you're a winner. NRM. Could this be bad blood between Graveyard Gallant and Mexicana? I don't think Mexicana's going to be too happy over this. Mexicana's not going to be really happy at this at all. Here he is with his title. NRM. I'm right here for what? And I got lucky in that one, I think. Oh. What's this all about? Oh my God. After Graveyard just helped NRM hand victory over Mexicana. BCW's going crooked. I don't know, folks. We'll be right back with a Canadian title tournament.